Our hope for our students is that they can grow into who God created them to be. We believe in the power of family, and we know that investing in both a child and their family can impact a whole community, which is why when you sponsor a child, you are not only sponsoring the student's education, but also empowering their family. In the vulnerable communities where we work, there is a lot that can keep someone from thriving. The lack of access to resources and limited opportunities bring daily struggles for our families. By providing a quality education, a student has the chance to dream beyond their current circumstances. At school, they get 2 meals a day to make sure they are well nourished. Our on-site doctor and visiting medical and dental teams help make sure our students have regular checkups and have their basic health needs met. The students learn in a Christ-centered environment and are shown the love of God and taught about their worth. We see our students as future leaders, and we want them to have all the tools they need to make their dreams a reality. Once a student graduates high school, sponsorship gives them the opportunity to go to college or a career training program. This changes the course of a student's life and has generational impact. From the time students enter the school when they're 3 years old all the way through graduation, our team is dedicated to work alongside families and point them to Christ in the midst of any struggle that they may face. We desire to see families thrive and experience spiritual restoration in their lives. Families attend parent classes and meetings, as well as have access to counseling and discipleship opportunities. Building relationships is a core part of the program, and our hope is that parents and guardians would be empowered to influence their communities. Sponsors help provide these life-changing opportunities and also get to be a part of a student's story. Sponsors get to pray for the student and encourage them in their journey. Through regular correspondence, sponsors and students can connect and build a meaningful relationship over the years. You can start that connection today. Help empower a student and their family by becoming a sponsor.